Greetings and welcome. Subscribe the channel Thermal Engineering for video sessions. In this session, you will be able to solve mass transfer numerical to find molar and mass fractions. A sample numerical we will have here. Statement is the molecular weights of the two components A and B of a gas mixture are 24 and 48 respectively. The molecular weight of gas mixture is 30. If the mass concentration means density of the mixture is 1.2 kg per meter cube, determine number 1 molar fraction, number of 2 mass fractions, and number 3 total pressure if the temperature of the mixture is 290 Kelvin. So let us start with given data. Here masses of gas A and B are given. These are written here. Density of the mixture is given and temperature of the mixture is given. So first of all, let us have formula for molar concentration of the mixture, means C is equal to density divided by molecular weight. Density given and molecular weight of the mixture is given. So we find here this 0.04. We can use this for further calculation. So here we can have here, this is a molar concentration of the mixture, means we can write here molar concentration of gas A plus molar concentration of gas B is equal to molar concentration of the mixture, means Ca plus Cb is equal to 0.04. Let's have this equation number 1. Further, we can have here the relation by using the earlier slide formula that was written C is equal to rho by m. Now here we can write this, that rho is equal to m into C. So rho A means density of gas A is equal to mass of gas A into concentration of gas A, that we have to find. Mass of gas A is given 24. Similarly for gas B, 48 mass is given. So we find the relation rho B is equal to 48 times Cb. Now further, as density of the mixture 1.2 is known value, but density of mixture will be what? Density of gas A plus density of gas B, means rho A plus rho B is equal to rho. For the rho A, we have this relation rho A is equal to 24 Ca, that we will write here. For rho B, we have this 48 Cb, that we will write here. So we will have one more relation between Ca and Cb, that we will write as a equation number 2. So now we find equation 1 and 2 that we can solve. So equation 1 and equation 2, these both equations are containing Ca and Cb. So these we say as a simultaneous equation. By solving these equations, we can get value of Ca, means this is a concentration of gas A, and concentration of gas B. After getting these values, further calculation we can do. We can find densities of the gases. So density of gas A will be equal to mass into concentration for the gas A. So mass is given, concentration we calculated, so we find this rho A. Similarly we do for rho B calculation. Mass is given, this value is calculated, so we find this. So we got now densities of individual. Now we can have here first molar fractions that we have to find. So here for gas A, XA is a molar fraction is equal to, this is a molar fraction of gas A divided by this is a molar concentration of total mixture, and this is a molar concentration of gas A. So by doing this, molar fraction we find. Same method we apply for the gas B component, Cb upon C. We find this. So molar fractions we got. Now here we see total molar value is 1. So XA plus XB, 0.75 plus 0.25 if you do, that comes 1. Now the mass fractions. So mass is equal to rho A, means density of component A divided by density of mixture. So we find this. Similarly, this is a mass fraction of component B, means rho B upon rho. This is individual density of gas B divided by total density. We obtain these two values. These are mass fractions of A and B gas respectively. Third and final value that we have to find, that is total pressure at the temperature given. So for that, use perfect gas equation of the mixture, that is PV is equal to mRT. This V we can write on the right side of the equal sign. So M by V, that is a mass upon volume, means density. Further, for this R, we know that universal gas constant is equal to capital M into R. So R will be equal to what? G by M. So for this R, we have written G by M. Value of G is a universal gas constant. So here P is equal to, this rho is a density of mixture, this is a gas constant, divided by, this is a molecular weight of total mixture, into temperature in Kelvin. So we find this pressure. Now as the input of G is in kilojoule per kg mole Kelvin, so we find here the pressure that comes in kilopascal. So we find this pressure in a kilopascal for the temperature value, which is here. So in this way you can solve other examples of mass transfer numerical. Subscribe the channel for other video sessions. Thank you.